Welcome to this detailed tutorial where I will walk you through every single step of creating a fully AI generated animated video in just a few minutes using a powerful tool called Steve.ai. We won't skip or shorten any steps, and I'll explain everything clearly so even beginners can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Whether you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, and in the address bar at the top, type in steve.ai and press the enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to the homepage of Steve.ai, a smart video creation platform powered by artificial intelligence that allows you to generate animated or live action videos quickly and easily without any need for professional editing skills. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see options to either sign in or sign up. If you are new to Steve.ai and do not already have an account, you will need to click on Sign Up and you'll see options to register using your Google account, Facebook account, or your email address. Select the method you prefer. Enter the necessary details such as your name, email, and password, and follow the prompts to complete your registration. If you already have an account like I do, go ahead and click on Sign In, enter your email and password, and you will be logged in. Once you are successfully logged into your account, you will be redirected to the Steve.ai dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic begins. On the dashboard, you will see two options prominently displayed. The first option is Add your topic and detailed instructions to get started, and the second option is Write your own script. These are two different ways to begin creating your video. If you already have a script written, you can use the second option. But in this video, I'll show you the first method, which is to let AI help you write the script. So go ahead and click on Add your topic and detailed instructions. This method will allow Steve.ai to understand what kind of video you want and then generate a script accordingly. Now, before we generate the script inside Steve.ai, we are going to use a powerful AI writing tool called Gravity Write to create a high quality, engaging, and structured YouTube script. So, open a new tab in your browser and in the address bar, type gravitywrite.com and hit enter. This will open the Gravity Write homepage. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free using your email address. If you have an account like me, simply click Sign In and access the dashboard. Once you're inside the Gravity Write dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar contains various tools categorized by use case. Scroll down until you see the section labeled YouTube Tools. Click on it to expand it and then select YouTube Script Creator from the list. This will open up a special interface designed to help you generate full YouTube video scripts using AI. You will now see a few fields that you need to fill in. In the first field, enter your video topic. For example, how to write a YouTube video script. Then in the next field, enter the points or ideas you want the video to cover. Be specific. Mention what you want your audience to learn, what problems you want to solve, and what flow you want the script to have. After that, choose the language in which the script should be written. For example, English, Urdu, or any other supported language. Once all this information is entered, go ahead and click the Create Content button. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate a complete video script based on your inputs. You will now see your script appear in the playground or content editor on the screen. Review it carefully, make any changes if necessary, and once you are satisfied with the result, highlight the entire script, then right-click and select Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now switch back to your Steve.ai tab, where we previously selected Add your topic and detailed instructions. Here you'll find a large text field. Go ahead and paste the script that you copied from Gravity Write into this field. Once the script is pasted, scroll down to the next step, which is to choose the video category. Steve.ai provides a wide range of categories to help tailor your video style and assets. The available categories include explainer videos for breaking down complex topics, tutorial videos for step by step guides, training videos for professional development, product launch videos to introduce new items, educational videos ideal for teachers or online courses, cinema or movie style videos for storytelling, kids' stories designed with playful elements, e commerce videos to promote products, promotional ads for brand awareness, social media and marketing videos for platforms like Instagram or Facebook, event highlights to recap special events, corporate videos for businesses, and a general others category for anything that doesn't fit into the predefined ones. Choose the category that best fits the purpose of your video. Now move on to choosing your video duration. You can select from preset durations like 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes, depending on how long your video content is. You can also use the custom option to manually set the desired video duration. After selecting the category and duration, click the button labeled Generate Script again. Steve.ai will now analyze the script and prepare it for visual conversion. Within seconds, your script will be segmented into scenes, ready for animation. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the suggested video style. You will see several options, such as live action, which uses real footage and people, generative AI, which features realistic AI rendered avatars and scenes, animated talking head, where cartoon style characters lip sync and talk based on your script, and basic animation, which includes dynamic text, icons, and transitions. Choose the one that matches your content style and click on Generate Video. The platform will now take you to the template selection screen, where you can browse a wide range of professionally designed video templates. Choose a template that suits your tone and message. There are modern, colorful, minimal, playful, and corporate designs. I will choose a clean and modern template for clarity and focus. After selecting the template, Steve.ai will start generating the video. This step may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your script. Once the video is ready, it will open in preview mode where you can watch the entire video from start to finish. At this point, you have full creative control and can begin customizing the video to match your brand and style. First, you can change the layout of the scenes. There are several layout options such as text at the top, bottom, center, or side of the video. I'll choose the one that keeps the visuals prominent and easy to read. You can then adjust the color scheme of your video by selecting custom colors that match your logo or brand identity. After that, you can upload your logo and place it on the left or right side of the screen. You can also add transitions between scenes to make the video flow smooth. Additionally, you can increase or decrease the time each scene stays on the screen using the timer tool. If you want to remove text from certain slides, you can either hide text in the current slide or hide text in all slides using the global settings. You can also duplicate scenes if you want to reuse any section of your video. Next, you can enhance your video with visual assets. Click on the Assets tab to add characters such as animated humans or animals. Properties like you can upload your own images and video clips to use in your project. Additionally, you can add a voiceover to the video. You can either record your own voice directly in Steve.ai using the built-in recorder or upload a pre-recorded audio file that matches your script. Once you've completed all the editing, preview the entire video to make sure everything looks perfect. If you're satisfied, click on the download button located at the top right corner. Steve.ai will now process the final version of your video and prepare it for download. After rendering is complete, your download will start automatically, or you will receive a link to save the video file to your computer. Congratulations! Your fully
Mastering your YouTube.
customized professional AI animated video is now ready to be shared on YouTube, social media, or any platform of your choice.
Did you know that the average YouTube video lasts about 11.7 minutes? Let's dive into scripting.
Please like my video, subscribe Tech Flyer, share my video and press bell icon for new videos.